Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of two of Amazon's most popular credit cards, the Amazon Prime Visa and the Amazon Credit Card, also known as the Amazon Store Card. It's going to be a full breakdown, comparing the main features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and a balanced conclusion of which is better in 2025. First, let's talk about the Amazon Prime Visa. It's a full-fledged Visa credit card that's issued by Chase and Amazon. It works everywhere Visa is accepted, online, in-store, internationally, and it earns rewards across the variety of categories, not just on Amazon. But here's the key, it's designed primarily for Amazon Prime members. If you have Prime, you unlock the full 5% cashback at Amazon and Whole Foods, as well as Chase, making it extremely powerful for those who shop from Amazon frequently and want a card that they can use for everyday spending too, because you earn 2% cashback on more general categories and 1% on all other purchases. It feels like your regular credit card but with extra perks if you're loyal to Amazon. And then we have the Amazon Store Card or the Amazon Credit Card. It's issued by Synchrony and works only on Amazon's website. It's not a Visa card, meaning you cannot use it as a physical store at restaurants, gas stations, or even other shops. It has two main purposes: to earn rewards while you shop on Amazon and to give you access to promotional financing options on big purchases, like the 0% interest for 6 months if you meet certain requirements. So mainly, this card is built for people who are Amazon only shoppers and who want a simple way to earn rewards or spread payments over time. So in short, we can say that the Prime Visa card is a global everyday card with Amazon benefits, while the Amazon Store Card is specialized Amazon-only card with financing perks. Now let us compare the main features. First, we talk about the Amazon Prime Visa. You earn 5% cashback at Amazon, Amazon Fresh, and Whole Foods if you are a Prime member. You earn 3% cashback at Amazon and Whole Foods if you are not a Prime member. And you earn 2% cashback on gas, restaurants, local transit and commuting, whether you're with Prime or without Prime, and 1% cashback on everything else. Also, the card has no annual fee. You can redeem rewards instantly at checkout or through your rewards dashboard, and it works worldwide anywhere Visa is accepted. The Prime members also get a $250 Amazon gift card welcome gift instantly upon approval. How about the features of the Amazon Store Card? You earn 5% when you have Prime membership. If you don't have Prime, then you might not be able to earn the 5% cashback at Amazon.com and on Whole Foods. And it's also useful for people who want to pay over time options. And the rewards can only be redeemed on Amazon. The card has zero fraud liability because you're protected from unauthorized charges, and you can buy now and pay over time with equal monthly payments on qualifying purchases at 0% APR. What is the pricing like? Well, for both cards, there are no annual fees. But to unlock the 5% rewards, you must pay for Prime membership. For the Amazon Prime Visa card, it has a variable APR that is based on creditworthiness. And for the Amazon Store Card, you get 0% APR for the period of 6 months, and it increases thereafter. So I'll say the biggest cost difference in the two cards is the Prime membership that you'll be needing to benefit from it. What are the pros and cons of these cards? First, we start with the pros. For Prime Visa, it has the highest Amazon cashback available, and there are strong rewards on everyday purchases like groceries, gas, dining, and commuting. It also works everywhere that Visa is accepted, and there's instant redemption on Amazon checkouts. The pros of the Store Card: it is simple and Amazon focused, and is great for promotional financing on large purchases. How about the cons? For Visa, the best rewards are locked behind Prime membership and is not worthwhile if you rarely shop on Amazon. And for the Amazon Store Cards, the cons: it can only be used at Amazon, and there will be higher interest rates if you don't pay off balance. So I'd say choosing between these two cards comes down to the way you shop. Which is the best in 2025? Well, for most people, the Amazon Prime Visa is the best overall pick because it offers the highest long-term value, more freedom, and more opportunities to earn cashback even outside Amazon. But if you want an Amazon-focused only benefits or financing options, then the Amazon Store Card is for you. It still has its place. And that's it with the comparison of the Amazon Prime Visa and the Amazon Credit Card or the Store Card. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore City Double Cash, Chase Freedom Unlimited, and Capital One Server One. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.